All right, GoPro. So we just left at the corner over there. Following Dad on the boat that way. Here we go. Got Willow over there. My mom in front. It was raining a bit, but it's all right. All right, coming up to our second little narrow part. There's Dad and the dog, Willow and Mom. Narrow part's just right ahead there. Let's fucking do it. Say hi, babe. A little shallow over here. Big freaking rocks. Whoa, nice. Cool, love it. Everything's fine. Let's keep going. There's Dad taking off. He's gonna beat us to the sandbar. You can see the river goes to the right, way at the end there. That's where we're headed. Then we gotta take a left and we'll be there eventually. That's Willow. There's Mom. Some lily pads. Just past our right turn. Right over there. We're gonna have to go left. See how that goes. Well, we're past our second turn. Did a right turn, a left turn. Dad's just up ahead here. Not too sure how much longer it is till the sandbar, but still raining a bit. Got some thunder. Fingers crossed no lightning. GoPro, stop recording. So, just got word that we're not even halfway there yet. Gotta follow that bend. Dad's gone to the sandbar to unload the boat and hopefully come rescue us in a bit, but it's thundering like a madman. Hopefully no lightning. Well, we saw some lightning, so we pulled over. It's pouring as shit. Right, Mom?
What, babe?
It's pouring.
It's pouring fucking dog. Holy fuck.
Yeah. So, we're gonna wait here and hope Dad finds us.
Get warm, stand by the fire, it's nice.
Well, made it to camp. Got all set up. Boat, kayaks, Mom. Here we are.
We're alive.
Yeah, we're alive. Thank God.